What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel, Be More on Life, where I'm giving y'all these banging recipes. Thank you guys for tuning in. And if you already haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like button, all those things that's going to help build the channel. Okay, today we are going to be making some Texas King Ranch, baby. Okay, Texas King Ranch. It's a casserole. It's really, really good. It's cheesy. It's creamy. It's chickeny. It's all that in the above. It's so great. It's so good. It's so awesome. My dad put me on this meal when I was a little girl. He put me on game. And I've been eating this ever since. This is one of my favorite meals he will prepare. I'll be so happy when I know he makes some King Ranch, man. It be smelling up the house. So anyway, let's get into it. We got our 3 cheddar cheese, Colby Jack cheese. It requires a lot of cheese. It's going to be so good. We got some cilantro. We got our bell peppers, red and green. We got our corn tortillas. We got that Campbell's cream of mushroom. We also got that cream of chicken. We got our hot Rotel right there, baby. I like it spicy. Y'all already know if y'all been following the channel. We got some taco seasoning. We got that minced garlic, a little bit of onion powder, and also the garlic powder. I don't have it up here. We're going to throw a little bit of that in there. I got some leftover rotisserie chicken that I'm going to throw in there. And, I like the pre-seasoned HEB fajita chicken thighs, baby. And if you ain't got a HEB around you, just try your best to season, okay? That's all I can tell you. I'm double seasoning. I want this to be extra flavorful. It's finna go down, y'all. Ooh, let's get it. So we gotta have them vegetables. You know what I'm saying? Them bell peppers give that good flavor, that good, like, I don't know, it's like Spanish vibe to the dish. Bell peppers is one of my favorite peppers. I put it pretty much in every dish. So yeah, we're gonna get those cut up really fine, and once they cook down, they are gonna be like very small. So that's why you see me using so much. And really, these are really small bell peppers. They are not that big at all. So I'm gonna be chopping up a nice amount to go into this Texas King Ranch. Also, you gotta have that cilantro. And actually, I never really put cilantro, but I'm gonna try it this time. Alright guys, so we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom of this pan. And we are gonna go in with our vegetables. Go ahead and get these cooked down. And we're gonna add pretty much everything besides the cilantro. Cilantro cooked pretty fast, so I'm gonna add that a little bit later on. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Really, really appreciate y'all. Smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, man, because this channel needs to grow. I have about 60 subscribers. By the end of May, I would love to have 100 subscribers. So y'all help me get there. I appreciate it. All right, right now I'm going in with some taco seasoning. And like I said, if you don't have this Fiesta taco seasoning, you can use pretty much any taco seasoning. But this one doesn't have that much sodium. So that's why you see me going crazy. And also we want to go in with that onion powder. Okay, that onion powder. It's going to be real, real good. So now we're going to go in with that minced garlic. And it's probably about a tablespoon worth of garlic I'm using right there. You put it to your liking, like I always say. You don't have to go by what I'm doing on any part of this video. You can make it into your own. But this is just how I make it, okay? So yeah, we're going to stir all of this goodness around. And then we're going to add some chicken thighs, those spicy chicken thighs. Yes, so they're already pre-seasoned, like I told you guys already. And if you don't, have these seasonings, taco seasoning will work, with the bell pepper, the garlic, and, whatever taco seasoning you choose, that will definitely work. So don't feel discouraged. We all about making it work, okay? So yes, here it is. It has cooked down. And what we are getting ready to do is remove the chicken so we can cut it up. Because you don't want no big old chicken thighs in your Texas King Ranch casserole, okay? So yes, let's get ready to cut those down and add them back, okay? Just like so. And then we are going to get ready to add this hot Rotel, man. It's super spicy. But I love me some spice, y'all. So, yes, the hotter, the better, in my opinion. So, yeah, we're going to add both cans. And, you know, stir it around. Let everything get well acquainted, okay? Yes. So, then we're going to go in with this cilantro. Oh, my gosh. I just know that me adding the cilantro this time is going to add so much flavor, okay? I love the flavor of cilantro, so yes. Stir all that together, baby. So now that we got all our vegetables added, we're going to go in with that cream of mushroom, that Campbell's brand, the best brand, and we're going to go in with that cream of chicken, baby. All right, look at that. That's going to get it nice and juicy. And we're going to get these stirred around, everything combined. And actually, this was the final step to this casserole. Well, not the final step, but to the filling is the final step. So get all this combined together because we're going to drop it into the glass dish. Okay, put that lid on. We're going to work on these tortillas. So we got our yellow corn tortillas. We're going to get a nice layer going. You want to cover all parts of the pan with the yellow corn tortillas. And it really don't matter if you use white, yellow. I don't even feel like there's really a difference. The flavor is still the same. So either one will work. The biggest part is to just not stress over, you know, if you have the same type of tortillas I have. If it's corn, it'll work. So get a nice layer going at the bottom. And then we're going to go in with that cheese. We got the 3 cheeses. And y'all, I love me some cheese. I know y'all probably like, dang, that's a lot of cheese. But yes, you gotta have a lot of cheese in this dish. This Texas King Ranch cannot be what it is without the cheese. I'm telling y'all, if you gotta go to the bathroom, go to the bathroom. I'm pretty sure you got enough toilet paper. But yeah, we gotta have the cheese, all right? So yeah, we're gonna go in with our next layer. Yes. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. Okay. Get every drop. We ain't wasting nothing. We ain't leaving nothing behind, okay? So now we're gonna go in with the second cheese, and that's that Kraft Colby Jack, okay? Yeah, so I'm just adding any kind of cheese I want to. And really and truly, I can't tell the difference between Mexican cheese, 3 cheese, Colby Jack cheese. It all tastes the same to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm different. The only cheese I think that has a really distinct taste is Parmesan cheese. So if you don't have these ingredients, don't trip. It's going to be okay. So we're going to pop this in the oven for 45 minutes on 350 degrees. Ooh, wee, baby. Look at that. Texas King Ranch, okay? Easy, simple recipe. Cheesy, creamy goodness. Thank you, Daddy, for putting me on. Oh, man. I'm finna get me a good bite of this, y'all. Look at that. It came out really, 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 really good. I cannot wait to take a bite.